car accidents, sports injuries, cancer, war. Many times, surgeries to reconstruct new tissue helps the look, but
it's not very effective, so they don't recover the additional function of that muscle.
now Rice University bioengineers are creating scaffolds made out of decellularized skeletal muscle.
Our goal here is to not just create new tissue, but to create new functional tissue.
It's the latest step in true tissue regeneration, using natural materials, not synthetic ones. Researchers start with muscle taken from a rabbit and break it down into proteins to create the matrix of nanofibers. This is what the scaffold looks like in the lab. Scientists can grow it as large or as small as needed.
We would be able to implant this mesh directly because it already has the proteins and biochemical cues that we would find in muscle. It should ideally recruit cells from your body to help come in and fill that gap and to form new muscle fibers.
Showing you the future of growing muscles in the lab, I'm Marty Salt reporting.